Hello everyone, I'm so excited to start this 6-day journey with you on telomeres and telomerase. Yeah, I'll tell you what it is and how we can age gracefully with more energy and vitality. So every day this week I'll share one powerful piece of the puzzle. Today we are starting with the foundation. I'm going to explain you what is telomerase and why do scientists call it the youth enzyme. So this week, stay tuned guys, we'll explore how you can balance your telomerase, how stress affects your aging process, and which food and lifestyles help maintain healthy telomeres and telomerase. So each day I'll share practical tips, science-based information, and easy to apply strategies to help you age gracefully at the cellular level. So sit back, take a deep breath and watch the session to learn how to support your cellular health and longevity. Let's start. So have you ever wondered why some people seem to age slowly and gracefully while others age much faster? The answer isn't just in your skin care or your lifestyle, it goes much deeper right down to your DNA. And the key players, they are tiny gaps at the end of the chromosomes called telomeres and a powerful enzyme called telomerase. So let's start with telomeres. Imagine the plastic tips on your shoelaces. They stop the laces from fraying. Telomeres do the same thing for your DNA. They sit at the end of your chromosomes and protect your genetic information every time your cell divides. But here's the catch. Each time a cell divides, telomeres get a little shorter. And when they become too short, the cell can no longer divide properly. That's when aging begins to show up, like your skin loses elasticity, your energy declines, your body repairs more slowly. So telomeres are like your biological clock ticking quietly inside every cell. Now this where telomerase comes in. Telomerase is a special enzyme that can actually rebuild and lengthen those telomeres. Think of it as a cellular repair crew, patching up the ends of your DNA so your cells can keep dividing in a healthy way. This enzyme is especially active in stem cells, the master cells that regenerate tissue, and in germ cells, the one responsible for reproduction. That's why these cells can stay young and keep producing fresh, healthy new cells. But here's something really important, balance. Too little telomerase and your telomeres shorten too fast. That means faster aging and high risk of age-related diseases. Too much telomerase and the opposite problems happens. Cells can become almost immortal, dividing endlessly without control. That's what we see in cancer cells. So the body's wisdom is about keeping just the right amount, enough to protect your DNA, but not so much that it becomes harmful. So what's the good news? The exciting part, you actually have the power to influence this balance. Science now shows that lifestyle choices, the food you eat, the way you handle stress, how much you move and how well you sleep all play a role in protecting your telomeres and supporting healthy telomerase activity. So over the next 6 days, we'll explore exactly how to do this, and tomorrow we'll dive into how stress impacts your telomeres and why managing stress is one of the most powerful anti-aging tools you have. So make sure to subscribe and join me on this journey to age gracefully. See you next time.